Hi kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and well. Happy New Year again to you guys. Thanks for your support. And today I have a special guest here, my hubby, Chef Hubby. Him and I is going to cook together. We usually do sometimes, especially on Sundays. I just want to share with you guys what we're cooking today. Say hi, hubby. Stay tuned. Today, hubby's gonna make steamed fish. He got his pumpkin and stuff. His fish is already seasoned up. He's gonna add corn and okra, and I'm gonna make stew beef. I've already seasoned my beef. So what's going on in here, huh?
There's nothing going on in there. We just have the fish already seasoned up, and since last night, you know, we put those snappers. So
that's it. And I'm gonna make some rice with gungo peas and maybe some fried plantain. I asked hubby to pick up some cabbage because we was gonna do cabbage and carrot together. That's a typical Jamaican raw vegetable. But he forgot the cabbage, so we just gonna. There's plenty of veggies here, and we're gonna fry some.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Okay, so hubby has some coconut milk in the pot, and now he's gonna add his pumpkin and thing. What are you gonna put in your fish?
Yep. I'm gonna put in my fish.
That looks so good. Okay, did I want to use my recipe?
What recipe?
My recipe.
For what?
You don't need recipe, right?
Nope. Well, I got no foreign income. Jamaica, we're going from there.
That looks so good, babe. Can't wait to eat it.
Now put in the okra.
You gonna put okra in everything?
Yep.
That looks nice, man. Wow. Oh, that looks good. So now you're putting in your okra.
The main ingredients.
The okra is the main ingredient? Why? Why is the okra the main ingredient?
Better have somebody.
So why Jamaican love steamed fish though? What is so special about steamed fish?
You better hack somebody. Devin, why you love steamed fish? So?
It's good.
It's good.
Because you don't have to make it. That's why you love it. So.
But what is the big hype about steamed fish?
Because steamed fish is good. It's no oil, so there's nothing to clogs up your artery.
All right now.
And you get all the vegetables and the goodies.
Okay. So before you put all that in, the okra in, you did like season it up with a little more seasoning, right? And now you're just gonna let the
Okra steam.
Yeah.
Because you're basically dead.
That looks real good, man. I can't wait to eat it.
Fish is all ready.
And I'm getting ready to cook my beef. Okay, so I'm gonna put my meat in. And I'm gonna let my beef sear up a little bit. I have a recipe for this, guys. You can check it out. Okay, so my beef is nice and sear how I want it. And in the same container that I seasoned the meat in, I add a little water. And you just pour that in. So guys, my beef is looking good. And it's not cooked. of course. So now I'm going to have to add some more water to it. But from now on, you gotta add hot water. You don't want to add cold water because you need to continue cooking. And of course, I'm going to dice it up later with some tomatoes and peppers, green pepper. So that's my beef coming along nicely, guys. And then over here, I have my rice and peas going. So I have everything in here, my peas and my scallion and thyme, fresh garlic, pepper, a little bit of butter. This is the canned peas I'm using this time. Okay, I use 2 cans. In Jamaica we call this gungo peas. So rice is ready to go in. You just gotta make sure you wash your rice. That's a must. Putting in my rice. Okay, let's check out the rice and peas. So it's looking good. So I'm gonna remove all of this stuff here, so I can give it a nice fluff. Gotta take out the pepper. You don't want it to bust. Okay, just fluff up the thing. Remove the garlic. And give it a nice fluff. Okay, so this is my stew beef. Nice and ready. Falling so nice and tender, it just melts in your mouth. Okay guys, so the meal is completed. I have some fried plantain over there. And this is my stew beef. Nice and yummy, falls right, well there's no bone, but it melts right in your mouth. And then I have my gungo peas and rice. This is also called pigeon peas. And hubby steamed fish. This is red snapper and with vegetable. So I hope you guys enjoy this video with hubby and I. All the links to my recipe will be in the description box. Until next time, thank you guys for watching. Big up on yourself.